Welcome to this tutorial for a 4-letter template with a modern look. You can use this graphic as a title slide or make a smaller version of it and integrate it into content slides. Applications with 4 letters would be a SWOT analysis. You can also easily adjust this template to other words by adding more circles for additional letters. Let's get started. First, select a circle shape and make sure it has no outline. Adjust the size to your liking and make sure width and height are identical. Now add an arc shape, which can be found in the drop-down under Basic Shapes. Again, format the size with identical values to ensure a balanced circle. Adjust the thickness of the arc by going into Shape Outline and Weight. Now select both shapes and add a shadow for more depth in the final graphic. While still having both shapes selected, go into Arrange. Both middle and center should be aligned. To lock this formatting in for further steps, group both shapes. They will now move as a unit. In a next step, you are going to format the text inside of the circle. For this, adjust the writing style and size in the upper toolbar. For a more sophisticated look, go into Shape Format and add a shadow to the text. Duplicate the shape you created 3 times and align them on the slide. For an even spacing, select all shapes. In the Arrange section, select Align Middle and distribute horizontally in the appearing drop-down. Now you can adjust the letters to your needs and choose the colors based on your preferences or brand design. For the arc shape, make sure to color the outline and not the shape itself. To finalize the graphic, you can now adjust the arcs. The arc can be controlled by moving the yellow dots that appear when clicking on the shape. Feel free to get creative and try alternative designs to the circle arrangement shown in this video. Now give your graphic the final touches and adjust the positioning of the circles as well as the arc ends for a seamless look. After moving the circles around, make sure to go into Arrange and select Distribute horizontally to keep an even spacing. Once you are satisfied with the look of your graphic, group all elements for easy handling. You can now move the graphic around and adjust the size while keeping the overall formatting. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.